everybody, welcome back to Let's Get Fishing 365. I am back at the lake. Here we go again. It is another beautiful day, so let's get back at it. Let's get fishing. So for our first setup, we have a Shakespeare Ugly Stick Lite Pro 6-foot rod. Attached to that, I have a Daiwa Sweepfire 1000 2B reel. And then on that is 10-pound braided mainline. And using a double uni knot, I've attached 6 feet of 6-pound Trilene leader line. And then I have a Rebel Wee Crawfish tan, brown in color as my lure for today. I switched out the stock hooks for some red hooks to add a little more flair. So here we go. First cast of the day. We're just be working this along the bank. It is Friday, September 4th, a little after 5 o'clock. Got some strong winds today. But I figured, what the heck, I'd give it a shot. There's a rock I'm trying to steer around here. We got a fish, we got a fish. We got a fish, you guys. Let me adjust this drag. We got a nice bass. Yes, we do. Yeah, we got a nice fish here. Yes, we do. That's a nice fish. We have a nice fish. Get him on in here. Oh. Yes. And that's what we came here for. Get over here. Yes. Yes.
Nice, Dad.
This was what we came here for. If I can get this hook out of him, this is what I came here for. Look at that. Let me get him washed off. Hey. Get it rinsed off there. Alright, settle down. Look at that. Look at that. (16.5 inches). Look at that. All right. £1 pound, 12 ounces. Long, skinny fish, but a nice, healthy one. Let's get him back. a beautiful fish. Yes! Ooh, that wind. Yikes. I hope that's not too loud on the camera. Got him. Little guy. Here you go. Look at this little guy. Oh! Well, there he goes. Whoops. Slippery little fella. All right, time to take a break from fishing for a little bit because I'm getting hungry, so be right back. Oh my gosh, this sandwich looks amazing. Oh, that breeze feels good. There's a fish. There's a fish. There's a fish. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. We got another fish here. Oh boy. He fought big. He fought big. Nice little guy again. Another manageable size. Good healthy fish. Get back out there and grow up. Keep my rod tip down. Keep that bait down. Alright, I think I fished with this enough. I might switch up to my second setup that I brought with me today. So stay tuned. And for my second setup, I have a Berkley Cherrywood HD 5'5" rod. Attached to that is my Shimano Sienna 500 FD reel. And then again, I have 10-pound braided main line. And then using a double uni knot, I have 6 foot of 6-pound leader line, Trilene leader line. And then I'm using a freshwater Bomber Series 3-pack crankbait as my lure. Here we go, first cast. Got a fish. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Yep, we got another fish. Oh, the switch up. We got another largie. Ooh, this is a little bit of a smaller setup, so. Let's get him in here. It's not a bad fish. That is not a bad fish. Another good, healthy looking fish. You get back out there and get bigger now. Let's get back at it. Ooh, I didn't even see that person's bobber right there. All right, I slid over a little bit. Try my luck over here, distance myself from those people that are fishing over there. There's a fish. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Get over here. Oh, oh. Oh, and there goes my pole. That might do it for me today. This might be my last fish of the day after I just drop my pole in the water like that. Here, Kalia. Thanks. All right. On that note, we'll end the night with this last little guy. Nice little healthy fish. All right, that's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate it. Another fishing adventure done. Today was another good day. We got about, what, 5 fish, I think, which is pretty good. If you did enjoy today's video, hit that like button. If you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time on Let's Get Fishing 365.